job advertisements are crucial in attracting the right candidates to fill a specific role. A well-crafted job ad serves as a company's first impression and plays a significant role in the recruitment process. For a position like a data analyst, a clear and compelling ad ensures that qualified applicants with the right skills in analytics, statistics, and data visualization take interest in the opportunity. Without a strong advertisement, companies risk attracting underqualified or misaligned applicants. The first important element of a job advertisement is a clear job title and start date. This sets the tone and defines expectations from the outset. For example, a job title like Junior Data Analyst Immediate Hiring tells applicants what level the role is and when they're expected to start. It also helps with online visibility since job seekers often search using titles and timeframes. Next, a description of the role provides potential candidates with a snapshot of what they will be doing daily. For a data analyst, this might include responsibilities like analyzing large datasets, generating reports, or presenting findings to support business decisions. This helps applicants determine whether their skills align with the job and whether they are interested in the type of work involved. Location specifics are also critical, especially in today's flexible work environment. Candidates want to know if the role is remote, hybrid, or on-site. A job ad for a data analyst that states hybrid setup, 2 days in Makati office helps applicants consider commute, relocation, or work-life balance before applying. Another key aspect is a description of the company. This gives the applicant a sense of the organization's culture, mission, and industry. For instance, a company might say, "We are a fast-growing fintech startup providing AI-driven solutions." This can excite data professionals interested in innovation and finance, increasing the likelihood of getting motivated and mission-aligned candidates. Salary and benefits transparency is increasingly valued by job seekers. Including a range for a data analyst job allows candidates to assess if the offer meets their expectations. It also saves recruiters time by filtering out applicants who would not accept the offer later in the process. A job ad must end with a call to action and an overview of the application process. This guides candidates on how to apply, what to prepare, and what to expect next. For example, submit your resume and portfolio by April 15th. Shortlisted candidates will be invited for a virtual interview and a data challenge. This clarity helps maintain candidate interest and reduces confusion during the hiring stages. There are different types of job advertisements, each suited to different audiences and hiring goals. One of the traditional forms is print advertisements, which appear in newspapers, magazines, or printed bulletins. Although this method is less popular today, it is still used in rural areas or for public service roles where digital access may be limited. For instance, a local government office may post a job opening for a clerk in a community newspaper. Another widely used type is the online job board ad, which appears on websites like JobStreet, Indeed, Glassdoor, or LinkedIn. These platforms allow companies to post jobs, filter candidates by skills, and receive applications in real time. A company hiring a data analyst, for example, can use LinkedIn's filtering features to target candidates based on location, industry experience, and software knowledge. Social media job ads are also increasingly common. Companies use Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter to reach a broader, more targeted audience using ad tools that allow demographic and interest-based targeting. A startup might run a Facebook ad for a junior data analyst position, aimed at recent graduates in Metro Manila with tech-related interests. Many companies also use their own website's careers page to advertise openings. These ads often provide more detailed job descriptions, application instructions, and insight into the company culture. For example, a large corporation like Jollibee might feature job listings for data analysts alongside company values, videos, and employee testimonials. Another type of job ad is through employee referrals. In this case, internal messages or announcements encourage staff to refer qualified candidates, often with the incentive of a referral bonus. A company may internally advertise an open and data analyst role via Slack or email, asking employees to recommend someone they trust. Some businesses hire recruitment agencies or headhunters to manage job postings and candidate screening. These third-party firms post ads on behalf of employers and are especially useful for finding specialized talent or filling higher-level roles. A recruitment agency might post an ad for a senior data analyst and conduct preliminary interviews before forwarding top candidates to the client. Some companies are now exploring video or multimedia job ads to stand out in a crowded job market. These can include short videos, animations, or testimonials highlighting the job, team, and company culture. A tech startup, for example, might post a dynamic video on TikTok or YouTube showcasing their data analytics team and inviting viewers to apply.